So this is the robot vacuum level 1 for the VEX VR code. If we can take a look at the assignment, you're going to program your VR robot to remove or act like a vacuum cleaner. You're going to use the distance sensing block. So you have to use the distance sensing block in this one to turn your robot or drive in reverse when it senses the walls of the playground. So it should move around and sense all 4 walls of the program. Now, again, there are lots of ways to tackle this one. I'm going to show you one approach, a pretty simple approach, but again, you could use different functions and different algorithms to create your own approach as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I know this program is going to continue forever. We're going to run this robot vacuum, and I know the one thing that I want this robot to do is to drive forward. Now, right now, if I ran this program, it would drive forward, hit this wall, and just go forever. So I need another piece of control logic here. So what I want is I want my wait until. Now, it's already been pre-described in the problem that I have to use my distance block. So I'm going to say when the distance is less than 100 millimeters away, and the reason being is I can take the account of the length of my robot, and that gives me to a point where I don't keep crashing into that wall. Well, what do I want to do if I come to my sensors? I have my distance sensors right here, and I can say, hey, if my distance in this is less than 100 millimeters, I want my robot to turn. Now the problem is if I choose 90 degrees, I'm going to come here, choose 90 degrees here, and my robot, once it reaches a wall, will just form a square around this carpet, and we're never going to clean anything. So I'm going to choose to turn right. We'll say something between 90 and 180, and I'm just going to choose 110. So now when my robot, you're going to see, moves forward, it's going to go forward until the sensor on it senses that I've reached the wall. I'm going to turn at that 110 degree angle, continue to drive forward, 110 degree angle. So you can see my robot now progresses on here. It gets that 110 from the wall, and it rotates itself around. So might not be the perfect algorithm, but again, it still does the job of what it's asking for in level 1.